I still remember watching my grandfather get entirely stuck on a tiny patch of gravel at the park. It was embarrassing for him and honestly terrifying for me. The heavy-duty walker we bought just totally failed when we left the pavement. Finding a real all-terrain walker is a nightmare of misleading marketing and cheap plastic wheels. Well, I've spent the last few months testing the top models on dirt, grass, and gravel. Here's what actually works, and the one model that finally gave my grandfather his freedom back.
Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker. Look, Drive Medical makes a lot of mobility aids, and you've probably seen their standard walkers everywhere. When I got my hands on this one, I wanted to love it. It has this nice European-style design, hidden brake cables, and it just looks decent out of the box. But you know, looks aren't everything when you're trying to navigate a bumpy trail. Let me explain what happens when you actually take this thing off the pavement. The wheels are slightly larger than your average pharmacy walker, which technically helps. I mean, they market it as capable, but as soon as I hit slightly wet grass, the front casters had a mind of their own. They started to shimmy and dig into the dirt. It was less of a smooth stroll and more of an upper body workout trying to keep the thing moving straight. Then there's the braking system. Hidden cables are great because they don't snag on door handles or branches. That is a solid design choice. But the actual stopping power on an incline? Well, it left me a bit nervous. When I tested it on a slight downward slope covered in loose gravel, squeezing those brakes felt mushy. I had to grip them a lot harder than I expected, which isn't ideal for seniors dealing with arthritis in their hands. The seat and backrest are another mixed bag. The back strap is wide and fairly supportive, and it folds up really compactly with one hand.
5 byACRE Carbon Overland All Terrain Rollator. If we were handing out awards just for aesthetics, this thing would win hands down. It is stunning. The carbon fiber frame makes it incredibly lightweight. Pulling it out of the box, I was seriously impressed. It feels premium, and you definitely get the sense that you're handling a high-end piece of equipment. But, and this is a big but, the lightweight nature of the carbon fiber frame actually works against it in rougher conditions. You know, when I took this out onto a deeply rutted dirt path, the frame felt a bit too rigid, almost fragile. Because it's so incredibly light, it tends to bounce off obstacles rather than rolling over them. I hit a moderate-sized tree root and the entire front end jerked sideways. I mean, you really have to maintain a firm grip to keep it stabilized, which kind of defeats the purpose of a supportive walker. Another thing that frustrated me was the setup. The keep the weight down, byACRE went with a very minimalist sling seat. It's functional, sure, but if you're out exploring a park and need a solid rest, it feels a bit like perching on a tightrope. 4. Trionic Walker. This is where you start to see what a genuine outdoor mobility aid should look like. Trionic is a Swedish company, and they engineer their products like high-end bicycles. The moment I grabbed the handles on this model, I could tell it was built for serious use. Let's talk about the tires, because this is a massive game changer. The Trionic features real, air-filled pneumatic tires. When I pushed this through a muddy park trail and over some fairly aggressive gravel, the difference was night and day. The air tires absorb vibration so well that my hands and wrists didn't feel that familiar buzzing fatigue you get from cheaper models. It just glides over the rough spots. I also really appreciate the synchronized steering system. You know how front wheels on shopping carts and walkers tend to wobble and vibrate when you pick up speed? Trionic fixed that entirely. They connected the front wheels with a system that keeps them pointing in the exact same direction. So when I took it down a steeper hill at a brisk pace, it tracked perfectly straight. No shimmy, no shaking. The braking on this unit is also top tier. They use an all-aluminum brake lever system that feels incredibly responsive. It genuinely feels like pulling the brakes on a mountain bike. Squeezing them requires very little effort, and they engage smoothly even when the tires are wet or muddy.
Number 3. Comodita Uno All Terrain Rollator. Honestly, this one caught me off guard. Comodita might not have the massive brand recognition of Drive Medical, but they clearly did their homework here. I wanted to see if it lived up to the hype. Right out of the gate, the build quality feels incredibly solid. It has a wider frame, which immediately gives you a profound sense of security. Taking the Uno through the local botanical gardens, which has this annoying mix of soft dirt, crushed stone, and grass, it performed beautifully. It uses 10-inch aluminum wheels with thick rubber tires. They aren't air-filled, but the rubber compound is soft enough to grip uneven surfaces tightly. I didn't experience any of that terrifying slipping feeling when transitioning from wet grass back to the paved path. One feature that really stood out during my testing was the seat. Oh man, finally a seat you actually want to sit on. It's extra wide and features a thick memory foam style cushion. After walking a good mile, I sat down and it felt remarkably comfortable. The backrest is also nicely padded, not just a thin nylon strap digging into your spine. Let me explain why the frame design matters so much on this one. The Comodita Uno uses a reinforced cross frame that folds side to side, but unlike some flimsy frames, this one locks into place with the very reassuring audible click, making the whole structure rigid. It easily supported my weight when I leaned heavily on one side to simulate a stumble. 2. Rollz motion performance. Well, calling this just a walker feels like a disservice. This is actually a rollator and a transport chair combined. Usually, combo devices are a jack of all trades but a master of none. The Rollz motion performance completely shatters that stereotype. When I tested this model, the first thing I noticed was the pneumatic tires. Just like the Trionic, these air-filled tires eat bumps for breakfast. I purposely pushed it over a stretch of tree roots that would have stopped a normal walker dead in its tracks. The Rollz just rolled right over them with this incredibly smooth, fluid motion. The shock absorption is frankly incredible, saving your shoulders and back from constant jolts. The transformation feature is what really justifies the investment here. Let's say you're out on a long trail and you or your loved one just runs out of steam. With a few quick clicks, I was able to flip the footrest down and turn it into a highly capable transport chair. I pushed a family member through a gravel parking lot in the chair mode, and the large tires made it surprisingly easy, no getting bogged down in the rocks. Ergonomically, it's brilliant. The handles have this unique, slightly forward-facing angle. It naturally encourages you to walk inside the frame, standing tall, rather than hunching over it. I noticed my posture was drastically better while pushing this compared to standard rollators. And the brakes are drum brakes. RollisRoll All Terrain Rolling Walker. I spent weeks putting this thing through the ringer, and it just kept impressing me. If you want the absolute best balance of rugged outdoor capability, thoughtful design, and everyday usability, this is the gold standard. It takes everything we've talked about and refines it into one practically perfect package. The terrain testing on this was an absolute joy. The RollisRoll uses massive, heavily treaded tires that look like they belong on a mountain bike. I took this out onto a sandy trail near a lake. Sand is notoriously the hardest surface for any wheeled walker. While it required a little push, it didn't sink. The wide footprint of those tires floated over the sand and crushed gravel in a way that none of the other models could even match. Comfort is completely off the charts here. The handles are ergonomically sculpted to fit the natural curve of your hand, completely eliminating pressure points on the palms. And the seating? It's phenomenal. It features a genuinely spacious, deeply padded seat with a rigid, highly supportive backrest. You don't feel like you're resting on a flimsy camp chair. It feels secure and genuinely relaxing. Let me tell you about the build quality. The reinforced aluminum frame is incredibly tough, but remains surprisingly manageable when lifting. They absolutely nailed the weight distribution. Even when I loaded the front basket with heavy groceries and a large water bottle, the steering remained light and responsive. Outro. That's all for today, folks.